Brewing your own kombucha is a fun DIY project. Storing your creation in the best kombucha bottles with the most appropriate technique will deliver a healthy drink that will help to improve the well-being of your gut microbiome. We've researched and discovered 10 top-rated kombucha bottles, as well as one you may want to avoid. And now for Freshness.com's reviews of the 10 best kombucha bottles plus one to avoid. Coming in at number 1. Zuzoro glass kombucha bottles for home brewing, 16-ounce clear glass Grolsch bottles, case of 6, with easy swing top cap with gasket seal tight by Zuzuro. After looking at many different options that are currently on the market and testing out a variety of bottles, we found one of the best kombucha bottles to be the Zuzuro glass kombucha bottle. This pack includes a total of 6 bottles, each providing storage for up to 16 ounces of your kombucha brew. These bottles are clear, giving you the ability to see the kombucha without having to pour it into a glass first. The easy swing cap design makes removing the lid and taking a sip quick and easy. Furthermore, the gasket sealing technology used in the caps make these bottles more ideal for longer-term storage and ensures that the kombucha will remain carbonated while in storage. Coming in at number 2. Clear swing top Grolsch glass bottles, 16-ounce set of 6 by Bellemain. If you're looking for the best clear kombucha bottles that will be an ideal solution for storing your kombucha in the cupboard and the refrigerator, then the clear swing top Grolsch glass bottles might be the perfect option for you. This is also a pack of 6 bottles that are not only a perfect solution for storing your brewed up fermented tea, but can also be used for other drinks such as kefir and beer. According to the manufacturer, the caps have been designed to ensure they are reusable and can provide an airtight seal, which will ultimately help keep your kombucha fresh for a longer period of time, while also ensuring it stays frizzy even when you store it and do not consume the drink immediately. Coming in at number 3. 2 1-gallon glass kombucha jars with cotton cloth covers and plastic lids for storage, after brewing by Cornucopia brands. If you are rather looking to buy the best large kombucha bottles, then you should consider the 2 1-gallon glass kombucha jars pack by Cornucopia brands. This pack comes with 2 large bottles that are perfect for storing your kombucha. In addition to a durable glass construction, both bottles come up with cotton cloth that can be used to cover up and act as a filtration system from pouring your brewed kombucha into the storage unit. 2 plastic lids are also included that can be used to properly seal the bottles when you want to store your fermented tea after you're done brewing the part. The package also comes with rubber bands to ensure the cloth covers can be fastened properly and avoid potential mishaps. Looking to learn more about the 10 best kombucha bottles plus one to avoid in this review? View the links in the description section and click to learn more. Coming in at number 4. Grolsch glass 11-ounce bottle airtight swing top seal storage for home brewing by Cocktailor. Next up is the Grolsch glass 11-ounce bottle airtight swing top seal storage units. These bottles were made by the Cocktailor brand and provide an adequate storage solution for smaller batches of kombucha. The swing top caps also makes it easy to open up and seal again for storage. While the sealing technology that has been utilized in the manufacturing of the caps ensure that the internal content will not lose its carbonation or freshness, even when the product is stored in the cupboard or the refrigerator before you drink it. These bottles can be purchased separately or in packs of either 6 or 12, depending on how many bottles you need for the kombucha you'll be brewing. Coming in at number 5. Amber Kombucha Growler bottles, 32-ounce 4-pack with Polycone Phenolic lids for home brewing by Cornucopia brands. These are unique storage bottles for kombucha that provides you the ability to store 32 ounces of the fermented tea in each bottle that comes included. The pack also comes with 4 bottles, which equals around 1/4 in total storage space. The specially designed phenolic lids that come with these bottles ensure that you can store your kombucha for extended periods of time without risking losing its fizziness. The lids also ensure proper sealing to help maintain the freshness of the fermented tea you're storing. In addition to providing the perfect storage solution, these bottles are also promoted as being an ideal solution for the second fermentation, which allows you to add additional flavor to your kombucha. Coming in at number 6, Giara bottles with chalkboard labels, 33.75 ounces, glass bottles with swing top 4-pack by California Home Goods. We found the best swing top kombucha bottles on the market at the time of writing this review to be the Giara bottles with chalkboard labels. These bottles are manufactured by a relatively popular brand known as California Home Goods. They provide you with 33.75 ounces of storage capacity per bottle, which is somewhat more than many of the other bottle packs that are available. These are ideal solutions for opening up a bottle of kombucha and serving it to more than one person, and also provides a more appropriate option for brewing up larger batches of the fermented tea. The swing top caps also provide an easy way to open the lids, as well as the ability to seal the bottle to avoid the kombucha losing its freshness. Coming in at number 7, amber glass growler jugs, 64-ounce, half-gallon 2-pack with black phenolic lids by Cornucopia brands. If you're planning to serve up larger batches of kombucha, perhaps to the entire family or to a group of friends, then the amber glass growler jugs would be a perfect way to store your kombucha. These jars can hold up to 64 ounces of kombucha, and they come with phenolic lids, which means they will provide a better seal as compared to many of the alternative options that are currently available on the market. These lids ensure that carbonation can be kept at a maximum level, even with extended storage times. Each pack comes with 2 jars, making it ideal to brew up 2 different flavors of kombucha. Coming in at number 8, Chef's Star Case of 12 16-ounce Easy Cap bottles with funnel and cleaning brush. The Chef's Star Case of 12 16-ounce Easy Cap bottles provides a way for you to store a larger batch of kombucha in smaller sized bottles. Each bottle provides an ideal serving size of this fermented tea drink, without being so large that you would not be able to reseal and risk losing some of the carbonation. The Easy Cap provides an effortless way to open up the bottles while still sealing adequately to avoid losing fizziness or freshness. Each pack comes with 12 bottles, ensuring you have adequate storage space for larger brews of your favorite kombucha flavor. In addition to including several bottles that help you easily store your tea, the pack also comes with a cleaning brush as well as funnel to make it easier to pour your kombucha into the bottles. Coming in at number 9, Healthy Harvest half-liter glass bottle tight and secure caps 12-pack by Healthy Harvest. The Healthy Harvest half-liter glass bottle pack provides a way to securely store your kombucha without having to worry about factors such as CO2 escaping every time you have to open and close the bottle. There are 12 bottles in each pack, and each bottle can hold up to 500 milliliters of kombucha, which is approximately 16 ounces. These bottles also come with a swing cap to provide a perfect way to seal your kombucha tightly to avoid losing its carbonation or its flavor. These bottles have been designed to exhibit an antique look and provide a more secure way to store your kombucha. Coming in at number 10, Chef's Star Case of 6 16-ounce Easy Cap bottles. The final option that we want to include in our list of top bottles for kombucha this year is the Chef's Star Case of 6 16-ounce Easy Cap bottles. These might look pretty standard, but they do come with several benefits that make them an ideal solution for anyone who wishes to purchase high-quality bottles that will help them store their fermented tea. These bottles are made from high-quality glass to provide a more durable operation and a reduced risk of breaking. Furthermore, the rubber gaskets that have been used in the caps provide a way to seal the bottles and liquid inside, reducing the risk of allowing CO2 to escape from fermented tea. Finding this review educational and entertaining? If so, please like this video and leave a comment below with your favorite kombucha bottles. Click the subscribe button and tap the notification bell to receive fresh weekly video updates. And now for Freshness.com's kombucha bottles to avoid. Avoid 2 32-ounce Cobalt Blue Easy Cap kombucha bottles by Strange Brew. If you are serious about brewing kombucha and would like to buy good quality bottles for storing your tea, then we recommend you avoid these kombucha bottles. The primary reason for this is the fact that the Cobalt Blue Easy Cap kombucha bottle are not clear and provides a color that makes it difficult to see your tea. You need to make sure that your tea is fresh and has not gone off before drinking. For this reason, it is usually a much better decision to opt for a batch of bottles that are clear and does not have a particular color that would cause you to have to pour some kombucha into a glass to ensure it is still good every time you want to take a drink. Additionally, the bottles have been known to arrive broken from the manufacturer. And now for Freshness.com's final thoughts on finding the best kombucha bottles. Once you have brewed up a batch of fermented tea or kombucha, then it is essential to store the drink properly to ensure it stays healthy, carbonated, and delicious. While it is possible to store the kombucha in the jar you brewed the drink in, many people find that buying special bottles for kombucha is a better solution. We looked at the best kombucha bottles in this post to help you buy the right containers to store your fermented tea in. Looking to learn more about the reviews of the 10 best kombucha bottles plus one to avoid? View the links in the description section and click to learn more. Did you find this review educational and entertaining? If so, please like this video and leave a comment below with your favorite kombucha bottles. Click the subscribe button and tap the notification bell to receive fresh weekly video updates.